under ng Architect Standard Professional Practice. SPP Docs 207. Design build by administration. The architect may appoint, subject to the owner, client's approval, a construction superintendent, purchasing agent, timekeeper and property clerk aside from the usual labor personnel required. Salaries of such persons are paid by the owner, client and not deductible from the architect's fee under this SPP Docs 207. Sinasabi dito standard professional practice ay si architect allowed siya ng batas na mag-perform na administrator for construction of any kind of building. Allowed siya mag-provide manpower for client under his supervision pero si client lahat ang magbabayad ng salaries ng tao and all necessary benefits. Ito sinasabi ng services ng architect under ng Standard Professional Practice SPP 207. Under naman ng Republic Act 9266, architecture is the art, science or profession of planning, designing and constructing buildings in their totality taking into account their environment, in accordance with the principles of utility, strength and beauty. Architect means a person professionally and academically qualified, registered and licensed under this act with a certificate of registration and professional identification card issued by the Professional Regulatory Board of Architecture and the Professional Regulation Commission, and who is responsible for advocating the fair and sustainable development, welfare and cultural expression of society's habitat in terms of space, forms and historical context. Sinasabi sa batas na dapat ay si architect ay may pagkakakilanlan kasa dito ay ang mga certificate of registration and professional identification card issued by the Professional Regulatory Board of Architecture and the Professional Regulation Commission. Architect of record means the architect registered and licensed under this act, who is directly and professionally responsible for the total design of the project for the client and who shall assume the civil liability for the plans, specifications and contract documents she has signed and sealed. Under ng batas na ito ay si architect of record at siya ang may karapatan sa design for any building na subject for design and construction drawings. Architecture in charge of construction means an architect registered and licensed under this act, who is directly and professionally responsible and liable for the construction supervision of the project. Architect in charge siya naman at ang responsible sa implementation ng architectural drawings for construction supervision. Consulting architect means the architect registered and licensed or permitted to practice under this act, who is professionally and academically qualified and with exceptional or recognized expertise or specialization in any branch of architecture. Sinasabi din ng batas na si architect as consultant pinapayagan siya sa batas na ito na siya rin ay professionally and academically qualified na makipag-communicate kay architect of record, architect in charge and other technical persons at siya as representative ng owner or client.